Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Melina and I'm a 33-year-old cash budgeter here on YouTube as well as over on Instagram. In today's video, I am going to be packing orders from my small shop over on Etsy called the Millennial Dollar. I am the owner and creator by all of these designs, so I'm really excited to finally do another pack orders video with you guys. It's been quite overwhelming over here, but in the best way, and honestly, just to keep up with the demand, I have not been able to create these videos. So I have finally found a little bit of time and space to create this one, so let's see how many we can accomplish today and jump right into this video. This first order is for McKenna, and she ordered some of my savings trackers and dashboards, so let me just grab all of that here. Okay, so it looks like, oh, no dashboards, just savings trackers. So we have the Piercing Fund savings tracker right here. And then she also wanted an emergency savings tracker. And then we've got the brown Travelopoly in matte vellum, as well as the Roll the Dice in matte vellum. So these 4 trackers, and we'll get this packed up for her. So how are you guys doing? I know it's been so long since I've done one of these, but guys, it's been so crazy over here, and very soon I will have my first ever binder launch. Who knew this is where the Millennial Dollar would go? I'm just so excited for it. So also my little freebies have changed just a little bit. Some of you have been probably pretty familiar with the bookmark, but I wanted to go ahead and source out somebody who could create my little freebies. And so they are pretty tiny, but I kind of wanted it to fit in a pocket or in an envelope, just whatever have you. So it is double-sided. We've got Good Vibes on one side and Hot Mess on the other. Those are my 2 designs that I came up with at the beginning of this year and just wanted those to be my freebies this year. So now you get both of them. But I also have a digital download online if like you want the longer version. So that is McKenna's order, and I've got, let me just make sure I spelled it right. McKenna, yes, you spell it just like my cousin. So I've got this. Sometimes my nails don't pick up that little part of the envelope. Okay, and then I did run out of these stickers for a hot second, and I'm so sorry guys if you didn't get this sticker. But I had to make do with what I had, and so some of you got my bright pink Dopa Dude sticker right here. So yeah, but thank you so much, McKenna, for your order, and I hope you come back. Next we have Belinda's order, and she ordered the black version of my Travelopoly, so we'll get this packed up for her. But yeah, it's actually kind of nice to just be here packing these orders with you guys. It has seriously been forever. But if you've never ordered from my shop before, have you had your eyes on anything? Leave me a comment down below. Or if you have ordered from me, what have you been getting? I would love to know. Okay. Okay, thank you so much, Belinda, for your order. This next order is for LaTanya, and she ordered one of my A5 fluted dashboards, so I already have it packaged up for her. This is just the way that I've been packaging them because I am so nervous that they're gonna break in transit, so I'm like double whamming the bubble, okay? And then she wanted the planner Deco cards, but she just wanted the cards. These do have the option to come with the insert, but we will pack that up for her. Okay, and this is definitely gonna have to go into a box, so let me grab that. Okay, so we've got her box here, and I don't think I've ever had an order with just these 2 items, so this is going to be fun. Okay, we'll just set that there, and then I will put some tissue paper on top for her. Okay. Okay, so that's got some cushion. I've got some extra little tissue paper here. Okay, and that is it for Latanya's order. Thank you so much, lady. Next, we have Tori's order, and she ordered my Book Addiction matte vellum insert. Okay, thank you so much, Tori, for coming back. I recognize your name every time I see it. Next, we have an order for Nicole, and she ordered my Travelopoly category insert. So this is just a fun one to have at the front of your envelope for my Travelopolies. Thank you so much, Nicole, for coming back, and I hope you love your new insert. Next, we have an order for Carmen, and she ordered my Travelopoly brown option, which is the clear cardstock. Okay, so I think it was just a little out of order, but we have her right here. Okay, thank you so much, Carmen, for your order. Next, we have Sydney's order, and she ordered one pack of my 10 soft PVC envelopes. So we've got that right here. And then my Mindset dashboard and the Pink Hearts Ghost magnet, which I absolutely adore that one. So here's the Mindset one. And then we have the Ghost, and they are magnetic, so you can put these in your planners, your cash binders. You could even put it on like your handbags, your lapel if you're going out. Like, it is just so fun and versatile. But there's that. So let's get this packed up for her. So I did have to go ahead and grab another box. My smaller boxes I've run out of, but I've got something super exciting coming, so I'm trying to not spend too much on the other boxes, but this is what we've got going on. So we'll do that on top. Okay, thank you so much, Sydney, for your order. I hope you love it all. Next we have Kayla's order, and she ordered my Girl Math 1000 scratch offs. So we've got that right here. Okay, thank you so much, Kayla, for your order, and I hope you come back. Next, we have an order for Sean, and they ordered one of my A6 acrylic dashboards, so we'll get that packed up for them. Okay. This is what happens when you run out of the smaller boxes, but they should be on their way to me very soon, so I am holding out. And then I'm going to grab some of my checkered tissue paper. One second. Okay, so I am trying to figure out exactly how I want to wrap my things, but right now, I don't know. So I'm taking a big old thing of tissue paper, and this is how we are wrapping right now. I feel like everybody folds it in and it looks so pretty. I'm not mad about it, but lately, I just have not had that kind of time. And this at least keeps it super secure. Like, it's not moving at all whenever I do that. So, do not need these to break, but thank you so much, Sean, for your order, and I hope you love it. This next order is for Mary, and she ordered my acrylic fluted A6 dashboard as well as the matte vellum black dashboard. So, we've got that right here. Boop. And a boop. So let's get this packed up for her. I do already have the box ready, so I'm gonna go ahead and just put her there, and we'll wrap this up in a bigger cover. I don't know if my phone is going to catch all the noise, but there's an ambulance, there's a fire truck, there's a plane going over our heads. It's insane right now. And I know this does not feel aesthetic to some of y'all, but this is what I want to do. So there we go. Thank you so much, Mary, for your order, and I just know this is going to make it safely to you. This next order is for Kaylee, and she ordered just my brown marker. So we'll get this together for her. Okay, thank you so much, Kaylee, for your order. Next, we have Eve's order, and she ordered my 52 Circles savings tracker. So we've got that right here. Okay, thank you so much, Eve, for your order. This next order is for Shanna, and she ordered one of my linen gray and linen beige dashboards. So I've got those right here. And then she also ordered 2 of my A6 acrylic dashboards. So let's get a box for her. Okay, we've got the box. And because of how high this one is, I think it will be just fine. Yeah, it'll be good. Okay, thank you so much, Shanna, for your order. Okay, so that is it for today's pack orders video with me. Thank you so much to everybody who was featured in this video for my pack orders. You guys are amazing. I hope all these packages arrive safely to you. And if you're not yet subscribed, go ahead and click this button to the right side of your screen. It'll automatically subscribe you to my channel, and I look forward to seeing you guys in my next one. Bye.